You Pull and Save Auto Parts is a self-serve parts yard where we set the cars and you pull the parts. With over 30 acres and a selection of thousands of vehicles separated by make and model, we want to make getting your parts quick and easy without breaking your bank. Wonder what happens to the cars once they leave the yard? With our own crusher on site, we're able to process vehicles faster and cleaner, keeping our inventory and yard fresh. To view our inventory or pricing, call 1-888-292-1032 or go to www.u-pullandsave.com or check us out on Facebook at You Pull and Save Auto Parts. We set the vehicles, you pull the parts.